Ladies and gentlemen, it's your DJ Kelvin Pesa, and today I want to teach you on how to earn money online. So first of all, you have to have an anti-detect browser, which is called Login. As you can see, we have a proxy, which is showing us that this is the proxy. It's been running, and showing us that we are connected to this site, Brazil, but we are still in Kenya. So we have an affiliate shopping site that is called TEMU. Here, that's the site, and for you to become an influencer on their site, you have at least two. By just creating your account, you'll earn $3, and then by going direct to invite others to join their site, you'll earn at least $5. For influencers who are on TikTok, who have more than 1,000 followers, you'll earn $43 directly to your account. Then you can withdraw direct to your PayPal or to your, depending on your location, withdraw direct to your PayPal, your credit card, others. So you see, earn up to $43 per invited affiliate. So if you invite any person, check these. This is TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, who has up to 1,000 followers on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Next, you can get to withdraw all that. The next thing that we have is so I'll copy this link over here. Those guys who have not created the account, just go follow this link, create your account, and then inbox me. I'll direct you on how to continue, because this program is not available in many African countries, but the African countries that are available, mostly we have the countries that are available, we have over 56 countries. We have so many of them. We have countries like, here they are now. You can see these are the countries. So we have United Kingdom, we have Armenia, Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan, Algeria, Andorra, Bahrain, then Belgium. All these Schengen countries: Bosnia, Herzegovina, Brazil, Bulgaria, Colombia, Costa Rica, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic. All of these countries, once you have a proxy or a VPN to any of those countries, you can invite massively to via Facebook, where you can get people to join your affiliate team, and then from there you can, at least you can see, for my case, I've already gone to YouTube and then to Facebook, and then I log in. Once I'm able to log in, it will give you direct access to groups in Brazil country. Since at the moment I'm using location, I've masked my location to show that I'm in Brazil. And that's for all, guys, and peace out, my niggas. See you in the next video.